guys, in this video I'm going to replace and try out this caliber fast fit LED headlight kit for the Honda Accord 2011. So here, if you take a look, I have put one in already into the headlight right here. So that's what it looks like. Okay, so here we're just going to take this part out. Okay, so that's on the high beam right there. It's turning on at the moment, and this is the yellow halogen light. So here, when you taking it out, we need to turn it. So just turn it a quarter turn. There's a clips right there. You can just pull it out. Here you can see there are clips. So just do a quarter turn and pull it out. So with this light here, when you turn it on, make sure it stand up at a vertical line, not on a sideways. Otherwise, the light will not spread evenly across your light beam. This water bottle here has a clip. You just need to pull up the water bottle just like that, and it come off. And from there you can easily remove the light on the right hand side.